Okay, now this is a real quick lecture, folks, but following on from the previous lecture about finding and replacing data, sometimes you might just want to find and replace words in selected columns only. So maybe not the whole spreadsheet, but just maybe one column or maybe a couple of columns. So how do you do that? Well, it's real easy. All you have to do is just select your columns beforehand and then press Ctrl and F to access the Find and Replace menu. Then any actions you do, for example replacing words, will then apply to just what you've selected. Okay, so just to give you an example of how this works, if I type in the country Italy and then wanted to use the Ctrl and F dialog box to find and replace just this instance of Italy and not any of these instances we've got here in this column, all I have to do is just select this column, hit Ctrl F, and then go to the replace dialog box. So find what? Italy, and let's replace it with Germany. Then if I just hit replace all, there, you can see we've got this dialog box popping up saying all done, we made one replacements. Now that one is basically just here, as you can see, and that's because we selected the whole column. Now of course you can select individual instances of the Excel cells, but if you are using the find and replace function, then the chances are you probably don't know where all the instances are. So just select the columns rather than specific instances of the cell, because it's much easier. Okay, so that was a real quick one, folks, but it's just to show you how you can find and replace data in selected columns only. If there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.